Humans have always been curious to know the origin of our universe. For a long time, people have questioned how our universe was created. They also make various attempts to find the answer. Today, we have 6 major theories, or concepts that try to explain the origin of our universe. These 6 theories are the Big Bang theory, steady-state theory, eternal inflation theory, Cyclic and Branes model of oscillating universe theory, and exotic theories like hologram, creationism, and simulation. Among these theories, the Big Bang theory is the most accepted scientific theory today. Because all the experimental data that are available to the scientific community are perfectly consistent with this theory, or in other words, this theory fits into our experimental data very well. Now the question is, what does this theory tell us about the origin of our universe? In today's video, we will try to know about it. So let's start. The universe is a very big place, and it's been around for a very long time. Thinking about how it all started is hard to imagine. But in 1927, an astronomer named Georges Lemaitre had a big idea. He said that a very long time ago, the universe started as just a single point. He said the universe stretched and expanded to get as big as it is now, and that it could keep on stretching. Just 2 years later, an astronomer named Edwin Hubble noticed that other galaxies were moving away from us. And that's not all. The farthest galaxies were moving faster than the ones close to us. Galaxies separating and saying goodbye to each other means that the universe still expanding, just like Lemaitre thought. If things were moving apart, it means that a long time ago, everything had been close together. Whatever we can see in our universe today, like stars, planets, comets, and asteroids, they weren't there at the beginning. When the universe began, it was just hot, tiny particles mixed with light and energy. It was nothing like what we see now. As everything expanded and took up more space, and then it cooled down, the tiny particles grouped together. They formed atoms. Then those atoms are grouped together. Over lots of time, atoms came together to form stars and galaxies. The first stars created bigger atoms and groups of atoms. That led to more stars being born. At the same time, galaxies were crashing and grouping together. As new stars were being born and dying, then things like asteroids, comets, planets, and black holes formed. Today the universe is so vast. Scientists say that probably it took about 13.8 billion years for the universe to reach this stage. Which is a very long time. But that's how they estimate it. So our universe is 13.8 billion years old right now. But why the name Big Bang? As we already know, the universe is expanding, so it starts expanding from a single point known as the singularity. A point of infinite density and gravity. From that, the universe starts to manifest. That's pretty much how the universe began. After that it got so big and led to such great things, some people call it the Big Bang. The question also arises, what was before the Big Bang? Scientists say that there is nothing to say about it, because there was nothing before that, even space and time itself start to begin from there. If you enjoy our videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.